happened. I got monetized on Instagram Threads. I got this message popped up on my Instagram saying, you now have a bonus for Threads. And I was like, oh my goodness, after posting on there consistently, I can make upwards to $500 in one single month just by posting on Threads. And I've been on Threads for quite some time now. And recently I've been seeing people make thousands of dollars, literally get thousands of dollars paid out to them every single month just by threading. So in this video, I'm going to go through what I did, what I think I did to get monetized, because let's be honest, I don't know exactly how people get monetized. But if you're like, ooh, I want an additional stream of income, or I'm on Threads, or I would love to get on Threads and actually get paid to post, because I want to say this is one of the easiest ways that you can make money through an actual like social media platform, you're going to want to listen to this. I want to preface by saying I actually have been on Threads like the day it actually came out. And I want to say probably for like the first 2 weeks, like everybody else, I was consistently posting on Threads. It was so exciting. It was fun. And then of course I stopped posting until I actually had a call with Instagram itself about like, I want to say almost 2 months ago now. And if you guys haven't watched the video of what I learned from Instagram to grow your account, go watch this after this video. But one thing they mentioned on that call was if you want to grow your Instagram account, you want to be posting on Threads. And I'm like, okay, how is that like a direct correlation? And they basically said Threads is a new platform, a new extension on Instagram. So of course they want more people on there active. So if they see you posting on Threads, you're active, they're automatically going to reward you by pushing you out to more people on Instagram through like reels with your content, everything. So I'm like, okay, I'm going to test out to see, does this actually work? Right. So after that call, I start to post at least once a day on Threads. And I want to say within a week, I saw an instant increase in the views I got from my Instagram reels and the amount of followers I was getting. Like, I kid you not, I start to get tens of 20, 30, like hundreds of followers every single week, just by doing something different, which is posting on Threads. Now, since 1 or 2 weeks in, that was working. I just kept posting on Threads. I'm like, okay, it's working. It doesn't take me much time to post on Threads. I literally do it every single morning. It's kind of just like a routine where I post a thought and suddenly I'll start to get like hundreds of people. Like I've already gotten, I want to say, I think I've gotten viral threads, but I've gotten a few viral ones where I have gained literally hundreds of followers. And all I really had to do was just like post my thoughts. Now, of course, after like a month and a half from posting, I got this message from Instagram saying now you are eligible of getting paid on Threads. So the first thing that I learned was if you want to get paid on Threads, you have to be posting there, right? So if you've never posted there, you don't even have a Threads account, or maybe you're like inconsistent with it, start posting every single day. And if you're like, I don't know what to post, I don't really have a niche, I don't have an industry, let me let you in on a secret. There's something called Pinterest, right? And you can literally type in anything you want your account to be and just pull quotes from there and repost it. All right. So if you want to be like really lazy, go to Pinterest, get a few quotes, repost it. Now, another thing that I found works really, really well to get more exposure, to get more comments, to get more likes and followers is asking questions. And of course, being opinionated and controversial. So one post that I made was like, give me like your best advice when it comes to finances and investments. And I got a lot of comments. Other people will post controversial stuff like pineapple on pizza is like the best topping, right? Everybody in the comments is going to start to fight, right? So there's a lot that you can do to just like be active on there, but post every single day. Okay, that's the number one thing. If you want to get the Threads bonus, get paid upwards to $500 a month, if not, honestly, thousands of dollars once you get to that level and stage, you want to post there every single day. Now, the other thing that I did, which I don't know if this is a direct correlation to why I got this feature, but I made sure that I have this setting on where my thread gets recommended on Facebook and on Instagram. So how you want to do this is if you go on Threads and then you go under privacy, there is a tab that says suggestion to other platforms. And you want to make sure Instagram and Facebook is ticked off. When I was on Threads and when I learned about this feature, those were off. Now, why you want them ticked off is because they're going to get exposed to even more people, right? Because the main thing that you're trying to do with your Threads account is be the most active, is to get a lot of views, to get a lot of followers and tell Instagram, hey, I'm being very active. People like my content, so you should be rewarding me. So once again, I don't know if this is like a direct correlation of why I got the bonus, but it definitely helps. It gets you a lot more exposure. And of course, it also helps you grow your Instagram account. Now, of course, Threads is an extension of Instagram. So if you want to get that bonus, I got that bonus through the Instagram app. So that this screenshot that I got and this notification I got, it wasn't through Threads, it was on Instagram. So of course, if you want to get monetized and you want to get bonuses, I would also be posting on Instagram every single day. And once again, this kind of goes back to the more active you are, the more they're going to want to reward you. So if you're not posting on Instagram, I'd recommend posting at least once a day. What I recommend posting are, of course, reels because they get the most amount of exposure. Those are the top creation that Instagram wants you to make, because if you look at this image, the creation plus tab on your Instagram, the first thing is a reel. It's no longer a post. It's no longer a story. It is reels. So start posting reels. Okay, they're so simple. They're so easy. They probably take less than, honestly, 10 or 20 minutes to create, especially if you already have so many videos on your phone. Just start to create them on Instagram. Because aside from getting monetized on Threads and getting bonuses, you can get bonuses on Instagram. And I've gotten bonuses. I probably had bonuses for like a good year now. For a while, Instagram took away bonuses, but now they're back and I'm getting paid for my posts. I'm a business owner, I'm a brand, I'm an influencer, and I already post every single day. So this is just like an additional stream of income where Instagram pays me to basically do what I'm already doing for my business, right? So if you're not posting on Instagram, highly recommend doing so. Not only will it give you another stream of income because you get these like spring monthly bonuses, but it's also just going to help you once again get more visible and get more eyeballs on your profile. Now, the last thing I want to mention, if you want to get monetized on Threads, you want to get this bonus, is I believe, I'm not 100% sure, but I believe this is only available in the States, in America. Okay, so if you're somewhere else, if you're in Turkey, or if you're in Africa, or if you're in India, I do not believe it's available for you. So I know I had a lot of you guys reach out when I made this post on Threads saying, oh my gosh, like game on type of thing. I had a lot of people, a lot of you guys reach out on Instagram being like, hey, I don't have this feature, but I've been posting on there consistently. Like, why don't I have it? And you guys are in different countries. So hopefully Instagram will see this video and feel bad and, you know, give you guys the bonuses if you guys are not in the States. But as far as I know, you do have to be in America to get these bonuses. But once again, I love creating these videos because my entire channel is about helping you build your unforgettable life by being your own boss, which means helping you create streams of income, making your own money. So comment below, let me know if you want me to create a video on the different type of content to create that actually grows your accounts, that actually makes you a lot of money, and I'll make sure to do that for you guys. And as always, if you guys are not subscribed, hit the subscribe button because we are on the journey of reaching 100,000 subscribers. And of course, I want you guys to be a part of the family. Until next time, I love you guys so much and make sure that you stay unforgettable.